In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a repair ticket. It's very quick and a few steps. Feel free to pause the video at any moment. Alright, let's get started by selecting repair. Here we can decide if it's a computer laptop repair or if it's a phone or tablet repair. So we just select the customer. If it's a new customer, you just select the plus button and you can add them quickly from there. We're going to add some parts here. Let's just start by adding a part. And we're also going to add a labor cost to it. This is optional. You could do this later on if you decide to, but we decided to do it now. Save. Now that we added the parts, we're going to finish all the other information. So device info, the IME or serial number. If it has a device lock, you could just write the passcode right there. And any notes that you want to add. You can always add more notes later on, but these are just the initial intake notes. And you have to assign this repair to an employee. Here you can decide to deselect any parts that you know for sure are damaged. We're going to select battery in this case because we know that the battery is damaged. We hit submit now, and here we're going to view an overview. We can see the parts that we added and the labor cost. If we go down, here the customer can acknowledge and view the terms and conditions, and then they will sign, of course. Submit. So it was very simple to submit a repair. Now you can decide to email your customer his repair details. This is optional, of course. Now that we created our repair, we're going to see the details of that repair. So we could just go to repairs on the side menu, select the repair that we just created. We can see the overview. Scroll down, we can view the terms and conditions for that repair at that moment. We can view the parts and labors. We can also add more parts here if we decide that there's something else damaged. And we could mark it as repaired and select the warranty date. Then the warranty will start running for the user. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download Repair Spots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.